If you are looking to secure your property without the headache of running power cables or hiring a professional installation team, the Blink Outdoor XR Plus is the ultimate upgrade to your home security setup. By utilizing Blink's proprietary XR extended range technology, this system drastically improves signal strength and stability, ensuring that even your most remote camera placements, like at the end of a long driveway or the far corner of a backyard, remain perfectly connected. Why the Blink Outdoor XR Plus is the smartest choice for home security. Massive signal reach. The defining feature of the XR Plus is its ability to provide 10x the security coverage compared to standard wireless cameras. If you've ever had trouble with cameras dropping off your Wi-Fi because they were too far from your router, the proprietary XR technology is designed specifically to solve that problem. Total wireless freedom. Powered by long-lasting batteries and completely wireless, you can mount these cameras anywhere in minutes. Whether you are attaching them to trees, fences, or exterior walls, you have total flexibility to build the security perimeter that best fits your specific layout. Pro-level reliability. Blink is known for its incredible battery efficiency and robust cloud storage options. The Outdoor XR Plus continues this legacy, offering high-definition video monitoring that is ready to alert you to motion, day or night, regardless of the weather. Customizable coverage. This system is built to scale. Whether you start with a single camera to monitor your front door or decide to expand into a comprehensive 4-camera system, it integrates seamlessly into the Blink app, giving you one-touch access to your entire property's live feed. Perfect for large property owners. If you have a sprawling yard or a detached garage that you've struggled to monitor in the past, the extended range capabilities make this the only viable wireless solution on the market. DIY security enthusiasts. If you want professional-grade peace of mind without the professional-grade price tag or the messy cable installations, this is the most user-friendly way to secure your home. The set-it-and-forget-it user. With its industry-leading battery life and stable connection, this system requires very little maintenance, letting you focus on your day rather than checking to see if your cameras are still online. It is rare to find a security system that manages to bridge the gap between easy, plug-and-play, and high-performance, long-range coverage. If you are ready to finally secure the blind spots on your property and have full confidence in your home's perimeter, click the link below for the best price.